In this video we will show you how you can easily generate an NC program for the bystronic flame cut machine with Tensor. Take a look at this part. This part has two holes. Now to convert this into an NC program we have to take a few things into account, like for example the outer profile, which we will now select, must always be in a layer called 20. Okay, and the holes, the inner profiles, which I now select, need to be in layer 10. Okay, so this is our part. We can position this part a little bit further away from the 0 point, which is over here. So we will cut this and paste this with 10 millimeters in X and Y, as the 0 point of the plate will be here at 0, 0. So I can now select this part and we'll have a look at defined parameters, where you can define the cutting speed, rapid feed, the burning time to make a hole into the sheet, and the length of the approach, which are 2 lines. This will also be used to calculate the machining time. So here you can set your parameters. Okay, let's move on to bystronic generate NC code, and Tensor now fully automatically generates a toolpath which we now can convert into an NC program by entering values we prefer, like the plate size, the table size, etc., which you will find back in the head of the main program. So we click on OK, and now you have the possibility to define more of those parts to make copies, and this means that the NC code for this part will be written into a subprogram, of which you can give a number right here, like for example 1001, and you can see this is our subprogram from G99, and that's correct. We have 3 profiles, 3 contours, and we can enter a number of copies we would like to have in X, like for example 5 and 3 in Y. The size of the part is in X 100 and Y 104. This is because we have a small approach here, and the space in between the copies in X and Y will take 10 millimeters, and we'll click on OK, and you can see the copies being drawn into the drawing, and then you have a closer look, and then Tensor will present the machining time and in minutes and seconds, and the length of the cutting path is almost 13,000 millimeters. So if you want, you can make a calculation of how much it will cost. You can remove the copies from the drawing, which we will not do, and then you will see here the program. Here's my main program, and you can see with G52 the subprogram is being called up, and my subprogram is right here, which you can see if you use the arrow button on your keyboard. You can see how it's being programmed. It also has the G41, so tool compensation is also generated by Tensor. So this is a very easy way to generate a program for the bystronic CNC controller. Either you can draw up your own parts, or you can import a DXF file, and you can save the NC program as a text file. So you have a look at the video again if you want to, or download the demo software.